Okay, hey everybody. Welcome to Monday, or if you're watching this early Sunday. I want to line out kind of what Monday is going to look like and then give you an idea of what to expect for Tuesday. Um, we've gone ahead and moved Monday kind of to an asynchronous format, if you will, just so that you guys could maybe start early if you wanted on some of those things. I know a bunch of you already have, and maybe schedule out team time during the day for those of you who want to meet with your subject teams. This is a schedule. We sent this out. This was part of the email that went out Friday afternoon. So those of you that may have missed Summer Institute, there's a Schoology training tomorrow. Monday. There's the link. There's the information. For our counselors and our nurses, there we go. Same thing, our LMTs. And then for our ELD, B and C, maybe some PLTW teachers, here's where to learn more about that. Some of you were already in the Edmentum training on Friday. And you won't need to attend that. But if you do have questions, feel free to let me know, okay? So Monday, everything that we've got for Monday, basically we built into Schoology. You'll see different assignments, and again, you can see how many people have already jumped on a number of those tasks and got those taken care of. There's probably more now that I haven't hit yet. There's also a folder in there that we've opened early for executable items. These are things we were actually going to talk about on Tuesday. You'll see in the session layouts here shortly, but some of you just were kind of jonesing to get things going, so we opened those up too so that you could check some things off your list. For Tuesday, we'll send out a link to everybody that'll have the all-staff meeting and the link to the various sessions. The all-staff meeting will just be, shouldn't be too long. We may actually finish earlier than that, but we'll welcome some new faces. Share a few things, and then we'll break out into smaller groups. I'm not a fan of the big giant Zoom or Google Meets just because nobody can interact. So we'll break into some smaller sessions. There's the timing of the day. You'll see we actually made the sessions about as long as a period is going to be for you guys during the school year in our online schedule. These are some of the sessions and just some of the things that we've got for each session. Different admin will lead different sessions, so they'll be in, like I said, smaller groups. Hopefully a lot of these will answer some of the questions that are burning out there for you. Again, you'll see session 3 here. You can see the Wednesday layout. We'll talk about that. Tutorial groups, how to connect with kids. Some first day things here, attendance, what class changes may look like. And then just go through like executables, goals, and objectives. Those are going to look a little different. Mandated items, syllabi, and the back to school night video. So those are all things that we'll talk about at length or at more length on Tuesday. Again, this was part of the plan for the week. Again, just if you wanted to see kind of the overview and what it was going to look like. Like I said, we took this Monday, what was going to be more of a synchronous, everybody together thing, turned it to kind of asynchronous. That way, again, you guys can schedule out your Monday to meet with teams, do whatever you need, but still be able to get those items done. And like I said, a number of you have already jumped on those items. But other than that, that's it. And hey, just hang in there, guys. I know Thursday was a rough day for a number of you. I'm with her. I was with her, with you there too. So hang in there. We'll get this thing going. Once we get rolling, I think we'll be okay. But hey, if you got anything, if you need anything, please let me know. All right, hang in there, and we'll talk soon.